aspirants, welcome to this series Ace the Race. In this series, we'll try to solve some examples for you guys from past year MBA papers that are very common, and these examples will help you in your preparation. So let's go. Today we'll be solving a data interpretation question. So it's basically a three-part question. We have a table and a graph, a pie chart, and we'll have to interpret the data of both those graph, the table and the pie chart, and then we'll have to answer the three questions that follow. So the premise is 7 companies A, B, C, D, E, F and G are engaged in the production of 2 items 1 and 2. Comparative data about the production of these items by the companies is given in the following graph and table. Study them carefully and answer the questions given below. So these are the 2 data sets. First one is a table. We have for all the 7 companies, we have ratio of production for item 1 and item 2. So for example, for company A, item 1 is to item 2 is 2:3. So that's how we'll interpret it. For percentage profit earned, so out of the total profit earned by the company, 25% is earned on item A and 20% is earned on item 1 and 20% is earned on item 2. And this is the pie chart that shows percentage of total production produced by the 7 companies. So basically the cost of total production together for all the 7 companies is 25 crores, and a percentage of that is given for every company. For example, for company A, it's 15% of 25 crores. So let's go and see the first question. What is the total cost of production of item 1 by companies A and C together in rupees crore? These are the options. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. So first we'll try to figure out what is the total cost of production for company A and company C. For company A, we know that the company A produces 15% of total. So we have 15% of 25 crores. So it is 3.75 crores. Similarly, for company C, we know that company C produces 22% of the total, that is 25 crores. So we get 5.5 crores. Now next we'll try to figure out what percentage of production of company A is for item 1. So we know that the ratio of item 1 is to 2 for company A is 2:3, right? So 2 plus 3, 5, and therefore we get 5 here, and 2/5 of 3.75 crores is the cost of production of item 1 by company A. So we get 1.5 crores. Similarly, for company C, we get 4:1, so 4 plus 1, 5, and since 4 is for item 1, so 4/5 of 5.5 crores gives us 4.4 crores. Now we simply have to add these 2 values and we get the answer 5.9 crores, which is option B, right? So let's move on to the next question. So let's look at the next question. The next question asks, what is the amount of profit earned by company D on item 2? So these are the options that are given, and this is the data. So it's a simple one-line solution. You can see in simply one line we have calculated the answer. So let's try to figure out what we did here. So firstly, we know that out of the total production, 8% is the production of company D. So we calculate 8% of 25 crores, right? Next, we know that the ratio of production for item 1 and 2 for company D is 3:5. So we get 3 plus 5, that is 8 in the denominator. And since for item 2 it is 5, so 5/8. And next, we know that 25% of the total of the cost is profit for item 2. So we find 25% of the value, and calculating and solving this whole equation, we get 0.3125 crores, which is 31.25 lakhs. So where we can find the option? Yeah, that's option D. So let's move on to the next question, the last question. Alright, so this is the last question. The question asks, what is the cost of production of item 1 by company F in terms of percentage with respect to production of item 2 by company D? So these are the options and the data, and it's again simply a one-line solution. First, try to demarcate the values that we need. So for company D, we need these values, the ratio of item 3:5, and we need this value 8% because it's the percentage of total production, right? And for company F, we need these two values 1:4, and we need the value that is 5%, the green and the yellow. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the solution. It's again a one-line solution. Let's try to figure out what happened here. For company F, because we need the value for company F in the numerator, we need to find out value of company F for item 1 with respect to value of company D for item 2, and we need to find it out as a percentage, right? So for company F, we know that 5% of the total production is by company F, so we calculate 5%. Next, we know for company F, the ratio of item 1:2 is 1:4, right? So 1 plus 4, 5, so it's 1/5. And we know the total production is 25 crores, so we calculate the value for company F. Next, for company D, we do the same thing again. We know that 8% of the total production is by company D, so it's 8/100. And next, we know for company D, it's 3:5 with respect to item 1:2. So we get 3 plus 5, 8, and we get 5/8. Again, we know the total is 25 crores. So we simply get the ratio, and to convert it to the percentage, we simply multiply it by 100. So we get 0.25 upon 1.25 into 100. So 1 and 5, and this gives us 20. So 20%, right? So the correct answer is D. So we'll be bringing more questions in this series called Ace the Race. So stay tuned and be safe.